Tuesday, 9th of February, 7:05. Let's see how the group's getting on. How you feeling, Darren?
Why are you up so early?
7:05.
Yeah, but why are you up so early?
We need to be up.
We don't need to be up for another hour.
No, we do. No.
John.
Dude.